Hello guys, Devesh this side from Realistic Baking with Devesh. Today we are making marble cake. So for the marble cake, for the white batter we required 60 grams butter, 55 grams sugar, eggs 45 grams in which we have already added 5 drops vanilla essence, 65 grams flour, 2 gram baking powder, 10 gram milk, 10 gram cream. In the first step we will take butter and sugar. Now we will cream it, which is known as mixing, until the sugar incorporates completely. So now we have combined both the butter and sugar together. For this you need butter should be at room temperature within 25 to 28 degree Celsius. So this is the consistency of butter and sugar which you will need. Second step is to add vanilla essence and egg mixture part by part to it and then we will mix it about few minutes. Now we are adding last batch of eggs and vanilla mixture to it and we will whisk it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now this is the consistency which we require and we have whisked it about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we are adding milk and cream to it. As you can all see, the batter is now curdled. So if by adding dry ingredients part by part, it will not get curdled. Adding last batch of dry ingredients to the batter. Now I will mix it for another 1 to 2 minutes till all the dry ingredients incorporate well in the batter. Now it is the recipe for the chocolate cake batter. So the ingredients we require: 50 grams butter, 40 grams sugar, 50 grams egg. We have already added 5 drops vanilla essence to it, 40 grams flour, 10 grams cocoa powder, 10 grams curd, 1 gram baking powder in which we have already added baking soda, 1 gram, oil 10 gram. Now in the first step we will add butter and sugar and mix it completely until sugar dissolves completely. Now we will add egg to it part by part. Adding last batch of eggs to the butter and sugar batter. Now we will add combined dry ingredients mixture to the cake batter part by part. Adding last batch of dry ingredients to the batter. Adding curd and oil mixture to the cake batter for smooth consistency. Now we have to mix it till both the ingredients incorporate well using cut and fold technique. Now we have prepared both white batter and as well as chocolate cake batter. Now we will pour it in the desired or silicone mold by using piping bag. Adding the cake batter to my favorite sunflower silicone mold. We have to add the cake batter part by part, one time chocolate, one time vanilla batter. We have added all the cake batter into the desired mold. For extra nutritional flavor, we are adding handful of shredded walnuts for betterment taste. Now the cake batter is ready, so we will bake it at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven. I have set the cake for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Then I will show the after results. Our cake is fully baked and ready. If you will fix a skewer in it, it will come clean.